What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your shared files on Google Drive on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Google Drive application, guys, and once you're here all you have to do is click the shared on the lower part of your phone. As you can see, shared right next to files. Once you tap on that, you should find all those files shared with you, and as you can see it's currently in, let's say, a list order. You can go ahead and you can even change the way how this view. If you look on the upper right hand side just below your profile, you see this little box. Let's say you can tap on that and it's going to switch the way how it lists for you. So here is like a thumbnail view, and I can switch it back to detail list view, and that's how you go ahead and basically check your shared files. You can also go ahead and switch how they show up. Basically you can change it to shared by date. As you can see in the upper left hand side it says shared date. If you tap on that, you can switch by viewing it by name, last modified, and so much more. And that's it. Very easy, guys.